at the one-to-one oil and gas conference here in London today. Tell me a little bit more about Lansdowne itself.
Okay, Lansdowne Oil and Gas is a company that's listed on the AIM exchange here in London, and we are active offshore Ireland, off the south coast of Ireland in fact, in shallow water, where we have an oil discovery called Barry Row, which is being appraised and moved towards development.
So obviously the next stages for you, what are those stages at the moment?
Well, we have a 20% stake in the field, and our operator Providence Resources has an 80% stake. And the next step is to drill a further appraisal well, which is planned for the second half of next year, maybe into the first half of 2019, to basically firm up the resource numbers and to move the project forward.
And the oil and gas market at the present time, how are you finding that?
Well, obviously it's been incredibly difficult, but I think the feeling now is that it's recovering. We feel that costs have come way down and are now very attractive for further, particularly drilling activity. So it's an opportunity in many respects to move projects forward.
So the reason for coming to one today, what is that?
It's really about exposure. We've had a period where obviously nothing very much has happened, the market's been depressed, and as I say, I think there are green shoots now, and we're getting back to activity, and we wanted to come out and meet people, meet new investors, meet some people we knew the story before, but whom we haven't seen for a while.
And what about your message to shareholders, potential investors at the moment? What is that key message?
I think the key message is we're in shallow water, it's relatively low cost, our projects are viable even at oil prices down to sort of $25 a barrel, so we feel we've got robust projects, but we now need to move them forward.
Well, Steve, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.